How to install WordPress on HostGator. HostGator WordPress install tutorial. Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on HostGator step by step in this HostGator WordPress install tutorial video. I'll be providing you with a 60% off hosting promo code shortly. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as we are always posting new WordPress tutorial videos. In this video, I'm going to be going over 4 different steps to install and set up WordPress on HostGator. Step 1 is how to sign up for an account with HostGator. Step 2 is choosing a hosting package. Step 3 is registering a domain name. And then step 4 is how to install and set up WordPress on HostGator so you can start making a WordPress site with HostGator. The awesome folks over at HostGator have provided me with an exclusive HostGator coupon consisting of up to 60% off HostGator web hosting. I provide the link to HostGator in the description along with the HostGator coupon code for the 60% off offer. The 60% off hosting coupon is Cupid60. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. I receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Some awesome features you will get with HostGator's hosting is a one-click WordPress install, 24/7 support from HostGator. They also have award-winning support. They offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. You'll also receive over $200 in advertising offers from Google and Bing. HostGator is one of the top web hosting providers, and HostGator powers over 8 million domains worldwide. Feel free to click the HostGator link in the description to walk through the steps with me to set up WordPress on HostGator. Once you click the link, you will see HostGator's web hosting page like you see here. Keep in mind, HostGator does change your landing page quite often, so if it looks different, don't worry. The remaining steps after this stay the same. You'll see a Get Started button. Click the button. You will see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Hatchling plan, the Baby plan, and the Business plan. The plan I recommend going with is the Hatchling plan. You can have one domain name with this plan. You can always scale up to one of the other 2 plans if you need to. If you have more than one website, you'll want to go with the Baby plan, as this includes unlimited domains. The Business plan comes with unlimited domains as well and includes a few free add-ons such as free SEO tools, free dedicated IP, and a free upgrade to Positive SSL. Go ahead and select the hosting plan you want by clicking the Buy Now button. You will now be on a page where you want to choose your domain name. Type in the domain you would like to use along with the domain extension, for example .com, .net, .org, etc. I recommend going with the .com if you can, as this is the most common domain extension. If you already have a domain name, just click the I already own this domain and put in your domain name. When you select your domain name to buy HostGator, we'll say if it is available or not. If it's available, it'll say available. If it says unavailable, it will say unavailable like you see here. If your domain is unavailable, try adding a hyphen, or changing your domain extension. You will see domain privacy being selected for your domain name purchase. It's completely up to you whether you go with this add-on or not. Domain privacy protects your personal information. It's very common without this selected. Telemarketers and spammers will call and email you quite often. If you go with domain privacy, HostGator's default contact information will show, so you won't have to worry about spammers. Once you decide on that, we want to choose our hosting plan. Just make sure the package type is the correct plan you want. Next, you want to choose the billing cycle. You can choose to pay monthly, every 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months. You'll save money the farther out you purchase your HostGator hosting for. I'm going to show you how to get hosting even cheaper than what is listed in just a second. Next, you want to enter your username. Pick anything you would like. Next, just enter your 4-digit PIN. Make sure to remember this, as this is used when you need to talk to HostGator support. Next, you want to enter your billing information. Over on the right hand side, you will see where you can put in your card information, or you can pay via a PayPal account. After you input your information, go to the next section where you can add additional services if you would like to. Next, you will see HTTPS SSL certificates. This is a free HostGator add-on, and it makes your site secure, and all sites should have an SSL certificate. You will see Protect Your Site from Hackers. This add-on monitors your site and lets you know if hackers get into your site and places a virus or malware to your site. Next, you will see Get Professional Email from Google. I'd unselect this, as you can get free email accounts with your HostGator hosting. Select this only if you'd prefer to do it via Google. Next, you will see Backup Your Hard Work. This will create a backup of your site. This can come in handy if you make a mistake or something happens with your site. With a click of a button, you can back up your site to a recent previous version. Next, you will see improve your search rankings. I recommend you unselect this, as this just gives you insights into your site and rankings. All these add-ons are completely optional and up to you to get. You can always upgrade to an add-on at any time. Next, you will be at the enter coupon code section. You will see a HostGator promo code automatically entered. Keep this coupon code if you are purchasing your plan for 24 months or greater to get the maximum discount. Replace the promo code that is there with Cupid60 to get the greater discount for monthly plans up to paying for a 12-month term. Now just scroll down and accept the terms and conditions and click the checkout now button. You will now be directed to a thank you page. HostGator will now email you your HostGator receipt and your HostGator cPanel login credentials. Once you get the email, just click the link and log into the HostGator cPanel. Once you're logged in, we want to install WordPress. You will see one-click installs. Click this and we want to choose WordPress. Next, you want to choose your domain name. You can always pick it from the drop down. Leave the box next to it where it says directory blank. Now just click next. Now it will say blog title. You want to put in the name of your site here. Enter the admin username and password and other information to use for when logging into WordPress. Next, check the automatically create a new database and check that you agree to the terms and conditions. Once you do that, click the install now button. You will now be redirected to a installation complete page that lists out your WordPress login credentials. Now you want to enter your domain name at the top of the search engine and put a /wp-admin, just like you see here. This will take you to the WordPress login page for your site. You'll receive an email with a link from HostGator with a login URL as well. Once you log in, you'll be in the WordPress dashboard where you can begin in creating your WordPress site. That is how to install WordPress on HostGator. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my HostGator WordPress install tutorial on how to install WordPress on HostGator. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.